Alright, so these are two different products, often confused and used to do the same job. This is a Type S mortar. Its main job is to stack brick and block. It has high compressive strength and it's really used to separate the units. Where this is an MVIS adhesive mortar, its main job is to adhere veneer units to a vertical surface for the life of a building. So, we have a very scientific test today. We've got a sample of a Type S mortar and an MVIS adhesive mortar. And we've brought in this small yet very fierce child to do the testing.